sauce. Sesame oil, I'm going to put the ginger root here, and garlic is always good. I'm going to stir. I'm going to add first the carrots because they take longer to cook. Add now the rest of the vegetables. So I'm gonna cut it like this, and I will marinate it for a few minutes before I start frying it. So I'm gonna add the same kind of oils, a little bit soy sauce, okay. Peas were frozen and they released a lot of water. So hot pepper paste, rice flour. I'm gonna stir here and add a little bit of water. I'm gonna make a sauce. I'm gonna take it out in this nice clean bowl because I need the wok to fry the fish. I'm gonna use more oil this time. I tasted a little bit and it's delicious. Pour lemon juice to this rice flour. Make like a sauce. This turkey, I'm gonna warm it up in a pan, and so this is version 1 with rice, stir fried with sauce, and turkey. Looks nice and I bet it's delicious. Okay, and this is with the fish, which is delicious.